Driverless semi-trucks have started running regular long-haul routes in Texas. The semis from the autonomous trucking company Aurora have computers and sensors that can see for more than 4 football fields. The company is starting out with a single self-driving truck and plans to add more by the end of the year.
Now, with that, and y'all seeing that AI is driving cars and...
Are you real or fake? Are you real?
Am I real? I don't know.
Oh no! You know, they doing deliveries for people, right? When you see these things and you ignore these things and you put into perspective that, you know, a lot of jobs was just lost, like a lot of jobs, a lot. There was a cut that we just did, right? We just did a cut, but I'm just letting you know, like, a lot of jobs was just cut with, you know, funding and all of that shit, right? With that being said, and then you start to see, you know, the Tesla cars and robots driving the Tesla cars and delivering food, right? You start to just think like, okay, you need to start putting 2 and 2 together, like where are we headed with this then, right? Because almost 20 years ago, about 20 years ago, we had what is known as a recession. Now, there's some research that has been done, right, saying that the first quarter of this year, there was not a lot of money being put out into the atmosphere. Let me just say that. And they say if another quarter passes, right, and no money is being put out into the atmosphere, well, I ain't gonna say no money, but not enough money being put into the atmosphere, we officially are back into the R word, right? It's a recession. Everybody broke. So I just came back to give everybody hope. I know y'all heard that Jeezy recession back then if you were OG. But yeah, understand where we going, man. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm just talking out the side of my neck. Maybe I've just been living off grid so long that I just disconnected with reality. Maybe so. Or maybe I'm paying attention. Like, y'all gotta really realize, there was a study that was done that says $100,000 in 2020 is the equivalent of $124,000 in 2025. So we just lost 25% off the dollar within a span of 5 years, right? Within a span of 5 years. People saying you can thank Biden. I don't really care who you can thank. Just pay attention, man. What always holds value over time? This is what you should be asking yourself. What holds value over time no matter what? It doesn't matter if you can build on it, right? Like virtually, physically, whatever, you know what I'm saying, build whatever you want to build on it and it gains value. These are the things you should be thinking about. You know what I'm saying? We shouldn't be thinking about what fucking who did what, and like, come on now, what y'all doing is not, come on now. Y'all distracting yourselves way too much. Eyes on the prize. Eyes on the fucking prize, man. Because you sitting around this motherfucker watching job after job be taken and complain about the jobs. You complain about the jobs, so now they taking the jobs, and watch everybody start to complain even more because food stamps is cut, right? Funding is cut for a lot of broke people. And what do you think them broke people finna start doing? What do you think they gonna do? What the fuck? there's going to be 0 to no jobs. 0 to no jobs. And you just think there's what y'all listen, man. I just want y'all to start paying attention, dog. Really pay attention, because you see everything being taken away from you because all you did was complain about it. So they gave the jobs to somebody else, something else, someone else that would fucking do it. Robot. I fucking Robot. And y'all seen I fucking Robot, what happened with Will Smith. Dog, I need y'all to watch Upload and iRobot, dog. And Upload, them same fucking Teslas that y'all seeing and riding around and driving in, right? It was the same fucking cars that if somebody had a warrant or a felony, it would take you straight to fucking jail.
Atlanta, they got these cars called Waymos. It's a Jaguar, no driver. Get in the car, you press start ride,
Heading to 370 Northside Dr. NW. Please
and this
make sure your
bitch start
seatbelt is
driving, bro. You serious? Buckle your seatbelt. This wild. Hey, Philly, listen, man. I'm in this shit called the Waymo.
It would. That motherfucker take you straight to jail. Robot hop out the car. Like, bro, listen, dog. We watching the Terminator happen in real fucking life. Y'all want to play around with it and shit. The fuck is wrong with niggas, man? Come on, man. Y'all need to tap. We tapping in, dog. Tap in, fam. What y'all doing not enough.
It's not
Get
enough.
you a not enough t-shirt, because what y'all doing is not enough. Link in the bio.